Hey guys, welcome back to Backyard Texas Barbecue. So today I'm going a little bit more healthy and I'm going to make some fajita kebabs. So if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Kristen and every weekend I share an easy barbecue recipe that anyone could make. Now, I lived in Texas for a few years and I loved the Texas barbecue. And so that's why I started sharing barbecue recipes with you guys. Now, I've had a lot of you ask for healthier recipes, so I'm doing one more healthy recipe and it's my fajita kebabs. Now this recipe is packed full of flavor but doesn't have a lot of calories, and it's gluten-free for those of you that are looking for gluten-free recipes. So first we're gonna start off in the kitchen. I'll show you how to put it all together. Then I'll head out to the grill and show you just how easy it is to make these kebabs. All right guys, let's get cooking. All right, we're gonna start with 2 pounds of diced chicken and then 1 to 2 red peppers. I used the small one so I could have different colors. Next, you're gonna chop up an onion into big pieces and then dump it into your bowl too. Now add about a tablespoon of olive oil. I like to add a little bit of red pepper flakes for some taste. If you want some heat, add a little bit more. About a teaspoon of garlic powder, about a half a teaspoon of salt, and then that is it. Just mix it all together. Now I'm making these more Texas style, so Texas really likes to focus on the meat and the vegetables of just their natural flavors. So that's what I'm doing. You can add more flavor if you want, but I like just the basic ingredients. All right, so my trick with the skewers, soak them in water for a few minutes before you start putting the food on so they won't burn. All right, my kebabs are looking beautiful. I love all the colors in there. Now it's time to get cooking. Now I'm cooking these right over the flame on medium-low heat, and I'm gonna turn them every few minutes or so until the chicken is cooked all the way through. Now the other trick with kebabs is try and chop your vegetables so they're about all the same size as your chicken and of course the other vegetables. That way they'll cook a lot better. Now once they're done, go ahead and take them off the grill and they are ready to serve. Now you can serve them by taking everything off the skewer. That's what I do for my kids, but for the adults, I let them take the food off their own skewers. And there you have it, fast, easy, delicious kebabs. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you want more barbecue recipes, especially smoked recipes, which are my favorite, be sure to check out my barbecue smoked ribs right up there. And then if you want a delicious smoked pulled pork, make sure you check out my recipe right there. All right guys, don't forget to subscribe and push the bell so you won't miss any barbecue recipes. And I will see you next weekend. Bye.